Moving from prisms to cylinders, hopefully you'll see a connection there. A cylinder is sort of a special prism where the bases are circles, and again, they will be congruent and parallel to each other. We can have right cylinders, which are similar to right prisms. We can have oblique cylinders. Again, we sort of use that word slanted there. They both have heights. They both have parallel congruent bases. In this case, with a cylinder, when you see us unwrap the lateral area, you'll see that it's actually going to form a rectangle. So this right here is my lateral area of the rectangle. The dimensions for that rectangle are h by 2 pi r, which is the same as the circumference of a circle, because if we were to wrap this purple edge at the top here, if we were to wrap that around the circle, it would wrap completely around the circle, which is the definition of circumference. So if I want to find the lateral area, I could just multiply my length times width of my rectangle, and you'll see that formula show up down here for lateral area. So same as before, surface area overall is the lateral area plus 2b. And that's the same formula that I just worked with for prisms. There's theorem 11-2, lateral and surface areas of cylinders. If we keep the formula the same as prisms, right here it's highlighted, we just need to know that the lateral area, we're going to have to substitute in circumference times height, which is what they've done for us here in the second version of that formula. In addition to that, they have realized that base, the area of the base, is pi r squared. And so therefore, if I take that and multiply it by 2, that gives me the 2b part of the surface area formula. So now we'll use that formula to answer this question. The radius of the base of a cylinder is 4 inches, and its height is 6 inches. What's the surface area of the cylinder in terms of pi? So I will write out surface area equals 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r squared. Now reading the problem, has a radius of 4 inches, so that will be my r. It has a height of 6 inches, that's my h, and those are the only two variables I need to substitute in for. So 2 pi times 4 times 6 plus 2 pi r squared. We just said r was 4, so that'll end up being 16. This is 48 pi plus 32 pi. Those are like terms which can be added, so I am left with 80 pi. Notice my answer is left in terms of pi. My units are inches, so therefore it should be inches squared, and that answer matches here with C.